I have not peeked at this yet. I want to so badly. I've had it for a few weeks and I wanted to open this at the same time as showing you, so I will be surprised at what is inside of Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty. They have this calendar every single year. It's not specifically an advent calendar, but you can use it as that. You can open it each day of the month up to the 12th day of December. You can give this to someone as a gift or give it to yourself. It has such a good quality products inside of it. And I used these products all this past year because I opened one last year. And some of these things are just really surprisingly like super good quality, not tested on animals, and it's $19.99. It's the perfect gift for yourself, for someone else to pamper themselves. And yeah, let's get to opening this. Everything is listed on the back, but I didn't really look at them in detail because I know it's going to be really good and I don't care to know the details until right now. Here we're going to open day one. Day one is a lavender eucalyptus bath fizzer. I love their bath fizzers. They're safe. They don't have unnecessary colors and scents. It's more natural, good quality ingredients, and I love that it actually has lavender oil in it, has coconut oil and eucalyptus leaf oil, so you can't go wrong with this one. Go into day number 2. And I love that you can easily take these out. They're not glued to the actual container that's holding them inside. They're put in there really nicely, and this is a good cardboard. So just details on that. And what we have here is a rainbow sherbet flavored moisturizing lip balms. I love their lip balms so much. I'm gonna be using this soon. I'm still finishing one up right now. Oh gosh, I really wanna try it, so let's try it anyway. It smells and tastes like sweet tarts. Yeah. That is so good. I love it. I love their lip balms. Going into day 3. And day 3 is the Illuminating Daily Facial Sunscreen. It is broad spectrum SPF 40. It's a good size. Day 4, this looks like it's fun. Ooh, a warm vanilla leave-in conditioners. I'm kind of excited about this one. You know I love my leave-in conditioners for hair. It says it's scented with a warm vanilla smell. I'm spraying it in my hand instead of directly in my hair because I have experience with their leave-in conditioner sprays, which I love. They're super good quality. It doesn't have a strong scent at all. Usually wouldn't mind if it was a bit more vanilla-y, but that's okay. I'm not gonna be too picky on that one. And let's open number 5. And we have a hazelnut scented body butter. Their body butters are so fantastic, so this is going to be so fun. I love their seasonal body butters and I love their body scrubs. I hope there's a body scrub in here to match with this one, but this is going to be really fun. It's a really good size as well. Day 6 is a pomegranate berry flavored lip butter balm. Yay, I love this. I just put on the other one, but this one is so cute and perfect for bringing to work and perfect for your bag. I love that. A lot of the items are really great to bring with you to work or in your bag and just have in the office if you need hand cream or lip balms. They're like such a good size and the scent isn't too strong, so I think maybe they're thinking about that now, that some of these scents need to be dimmed down a little bit, especially if you work in an office situation and you don't want to offend other people with strong scents or perfumes. And it's a hand balm, and you know what I really appreciate is they have these little divots so you can kind of grab it. If you have nails done, it's still a little rough to pull these out, but they're a bit easier because they have the little like space right in here so you can kind of pinch it out. And it's an ultra moisturizing hand balm. I love these. I mean, I'm sorry I'm saying I love everything, but I think their hand balms and moisturizers have been so key for my skin last winter. I was putting them on my skin whenever I had the chance. This looks like it's mango tangerine scented. Really good ingredients with the coconut oil and the shea butter. This is such a good quality balm. I actually put these on my legs because they get really like, you know, super dry at this time of year. And here is number 8. This is the Mango Tangerine Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Did I mix these up? I think I did. Let me just double check. This is the Mandarin Basil Hand Balm. This is the Mango Tangerine Hand Cream. So I mixed those up a little bit. Sorry about that. The balm I love for super, super dry skin. It has a bit of an oil in it, and putting it on my legs and arms is fantastic. They've had balms in the past. I haven't tried this one yet, obviously, but the hand cream is so good. I love that it's in this like aluminum container, and this has a bit of an oil to it as well. I think it's so great for overnight mask on your hands if they're super dry. My hands are so dry right now, so this is going on tonight as an overnight mask. Going into number 9, what do we have here? That was easy to take out. Vanilla Orchid Body Mist. I'm gonna spray it in my hair. That is so nice. It's so light, but it's a really nice scent. Some good ingredients here with aloe, some seed butters, some other extracts, some rose scented oils. I think this is going to be so lovely for someone who just wants a light mist on their body or skin. This has really good quality ingredients. It's not toxic, so I can keep spraying it in my hair to get rid of those stinky scents that my hair absorbs with the wood stove and that kind of like office-y smell. And number 10 is right here at this eyeball. It's a coconut coffee body scrub, just what I wanted, and I mentioned that I hope they have a body scrub in here today, so they do. This is perfect to go with the body butter and just the same size, so they're very complementary to each other. Oh, this is new to me. Okay, this one is glued in. This one is the one that's tough to get out. I haven't tried anything like this before. This is the Rice Polish Cleansing Powder. Wet hands and face, pour an almond size amount of powder into hands and rub together to create a foam. Gently massage onto face for 15 seconds, avoiding the eye area. Rinse with warm water. It looks like there's enough for several 5 or 10 uses, or maybe about a week. That one's fun. Okay, number 12. The Rose Glow Facial Oil. I had this from last year. It's so nice. I don't like to put it on my face because I'm concerned with skin breaking out. For my arms in the summer, this was perfect. Make sure you shake it up really well, and then you can put it on your collarbone right here, on the outside of your arms, all the way up to this part of your arms and your legs. Anywhere where the sun is going to be reflecting, it makes it like this beautiful sun reflection. I love it. And you could actually just put it right here if you want some of that like natural reflective glow from the sunlight. I thought for a second I didn't open this one. I did. So everything's been opened. I have all 12 items. I think this one is my favorite so far. Even though I haven't tried it yet, I adore it. It's so adorable and it's such a cute girly product. But more importantly, I know it has safe ingredients that are non-toxic and it's not tested on animals. I feel comfortable with their products as far as putting things on my body or my lips near my senses. I know things are not going to be problematic. They generally have good quality ingredients in their products. With the Trader Joe's skincare and hair care items, I've been really loving and discovering a lot of their hair care items this year, and I talk a lot about that in some of my videos. I can't wait to use this bath fizzer. It smells so nice. I hope they sell the lavender eucalyptus separate at some point. If you are curious about some of my other beauty calendars and advent calendars, I have a playlist I'll put in the description box below, and I have one more coming up. It's the CVS Beauty Calendar. That's another one that I love every single year. It's such a good, fun beauty calendar to open, and it's also neutral, just like the Trader Joe's one, where you can give it any time of year, but unfortunately they're only sold around this time of year. So if you have an office gift to give someone and it's not specific to the holiday, or just a present in general, or just for yourself. So if you want to check out all of the other ones that I have, videos that I have opening different calendars, please check the description box because I'll have them set up for you so you can watch them all.